Laser engravers have evolved fast, now offering cleaner cuts, smarter cameras, and safety systems that let you create with confidence at home or in a studio. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best models that bring real power and dependable safety to any workspace. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. ATOMSTACK. ATOMSTACK starts our list with a compact workhorse that feels purpose-built for creators who want precision without a steep learning curve. The standout is its compressed 12-watt laser module, producing a tiny 0.06 by 0.08 millimeter spot that translates into crisp lettering, sharp logos, and clean fine-line patterns. If you are engraving small tags, jewelry blanks, or intricate artwork, that small spot size is your best friend. Speed matters when you are filling orders. With up to 400 millimeters per second and a long focal length, the machine switches from fine engraving to confident cutting without constant tinkering. It means less babysitting and more finished pieces, especially on woods, leathers, and coated metals. A removable magnetic laser shield plus included safety glasses keep eyes protected, so you can focus on layout and design instead of worrying about flare and glare. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. OUYANG TS1 MINI. If space is tight but creativity is big, OUYANG TS1 MINI turns any shelf or corner into a micromaker space. It is smaller than a coffee mug footprint and weighs about 1 kilogram, so you can store it easily and set it up in seconds. For apartment crafters, teachers, or anyone who does not want a dedicated workshop, this is a refreshing alternative. The magic is in how quickly you can begin. There is no fiddly assembly. Plug in power and USB, install the free software, and you are engraving in roughly 10 minutes. Test materials and laser goggles are included, so you can learn by doing the moment it arrives. Wireless flexibility keeps the process smooth. Bluetooth control via mobile apps lets you send designs without cable chaos, while built-in TF storage enables truly offline jobs. Save a design to the card, start the job, and free your laptop for other tasks while the TS1 Mini gets it done. Despite its tiny footprint, the adjustable focus 3-watt module tackles a surprising range of materials: wood, leather, paper, acrylic, and coated metals. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. WAINLUX K8. WAINLUX K8 raises the bar for safety and convenience, making it a strong pick for homes, schools, and small studios. It arrives fully enclosed and fully assembled, so there is no frame building or belt tensioning. Hall effect door sensors stop the laser when a panel opens, while tinted windows filter blue light so you can watch the action comfortably. A built-in 2-megapixel camera changes the game. Place your workpiece, view the live bed image in software, and drag your art exactly where you want it. Alignment that once took multiple test burns now takes seconds, and autofocus helps keep results consistent across different thicknesses. Performance backs up the smarts. With compressed spot optics and precision mechanics, K8 targets 0.01 millimeter engraving detail and speeds up to 15,000 millimeters per minute. In practice, that means clean stainless steel marking, crisp leather embossing, and one-pass cuts on common craft woods like 8mm plywood and 10mm pine. Thoughtful extras keep your space comfortable. A detachable exhaust fan and slag tray simplify cleanup, and options like a rotary accessory open up mugs and cylinders. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. WOXCKER. WOXCKER is built around safety-first engineering without slowing you down. The fully enclosed body and lid-open interlock protect eyes and skin, while an onboard flame sensor can halt jobs if abnormal heat is detected. Add an emergency stop, a physical safety lock, and even a tilt stop at 15 degrees, and you have a machine that takes real-world mishaps seriously. The enclosure is not just about protection. It also contains fumes and dust for a cleaner workspace and quieter operation. That makes a tangible difference in spare rooms or classrooms where air quality and noise matter. If you have hesitated to bring a laser into a shared space, this design lowers the barrier. Precision is a highlight. An ultra-fine, fixed focus spot around 0.01 millimeter lets you render tiny patterns and sharp text on wood, leather, plastics, even certain foods for novelty engraving. The result is professional-looking edges without heavy sanding or post-processing. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. OUYZGIA. If you want big format freedom and serious cutting power, OUYZGIA brings both. A 20-watt optical module paired with a compact laser head chews through thick material. Think one-pass cuts on 20mm pine, so you can prototype furniture accents, large signage, or layered art without repeated passes. Speed is equally impressive. Dual motors on the y-axis push engraving up to 30,000 millimeters per minute, which is a major time saver for large fills and production runs. When you are batching coasters, plaques, or panels, those minutes add up to hours, saved across a week. The 600 by 600 millimeter work area unlocks projects that smaller machines simply cannot handle. You can lay out a whole series in one go or work on larger pieces without segmenting designs. For market vendors and Etsy sellers, that means fewer setups and cleaner, more consistent results. Setup and control are straightforward. The machine ships roughly 80% pre-assembled, so you can be engraving in around 20 minutes. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. CREALITY FALCON A1. CREALITY FALCON A1 is the ready-to-work productivity pick. It arrives pre-tuned with optimal parameter presets, so instead of burning scrap to dial in settings, you jump straight into clean cuts and consistent engraves. For beginners, that removes a huge barrier. For pros, it simply saves time. A pre-calibrated HD camera shows the entire bed, enabling quick, accurate placement. Drag your design on the live view, lock the outline, and run. No rulers, no guesswork. Core XY motion with dual motor power delivers up to 600 millimeters per second, roughly tripling throughput versus typical gantry systems, which you feel immediately on fills and large jobs. Safety is top tier. A Class 1 rated dual-door enclosure filters 99% of laser radiation while damping smoke and noise. Auto-lock, emergency stop, and smoke management make it comfortable to run in shared spaces. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. LONGER RAY5. LONGER Ray 5 deserves a spot in this video by balancing power, precision, and everyday usability. With a robust 20-watt module and compressed beam around 0.08 by 0.1 mm, it delivers the rare combo of fine engraving and confident cutting. For creators, that means one machine to mark stainless steel, engrave leather, and slice thick woods or acrylics cleanly. Speed and accuracy go hand in hand. Up to 10,000 millimeters per minute with precise rails yields smooth gradients and razor-sharp text. Great for branded products, intricate art, and multi-pass projects where alignment must stay true. You can move from prototype to sellable piece without wrestling calibration every session. Material versatility seals the win. Think cutting 25mm wood and 35mm acrylic, marking thin stainless steel, and handling everyday materials like paper, glass, plastics, and leather. For side hustles, gift businesses, and serious hobby shops, LONGER RAY5 is the dependable do-most machine that grows with your ambitions. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best laser engraver machines that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.